Welcome back to the dark side of the podcast, folks. For my new subscribers and my new viewers, I cannot thank you enough for the support. It's truly humbling. I never thought this would go anywhere. Not because I don't believe in the product or that the information is not good. It's just that I'm not that interesting. So, thank you. Today's video, taken directly from the comments on my previous videos and certainly from the AMP Reddit. Why doesn't AMP and the Flexa network advertise? There's a couple schools of thought on this one, and we're getting into that today right after this. For the AMP lovers out there, and especially the AMP investors, why doesn't the Flexa network advertise? It is a great product. It's a great crypto. It's a great idea. And the time is getting closer for mass adoption. I don't think it can miss. So why doesn't anyone know about it? Why is the team not getting out in front of this? Everyone has heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum. Hell, Doge is spoken of more fondly than the aforementioned two. If people are clamoring for a crypto payment rail and one exists, why does nobody know about it? The first thought off the top of my head is it's not time yet. There are a ton of misconceptions about crypto. What it is, what it does, why it even exists. Now we know, you and I know, but we're crypto people. We know what it is. We know what it does. We know why it exists. But do you know what percentage of the population owns crypto? 14%. That's an estimate. I think it's a very, very close estimate. Of the entire population of the United States, 14% own crypto. Now, when you consider all of the carnival coins and fly-by-nighters that have come and gone and get massive amounts of social media attention, how many of that 14% who own crypto do you think actually understands the fundamentals of sound money and what good crypto is? How many know the difference between a coin and a token? How many understand what blockchain actually is or how it works? Of the 14% that own crypto, I know I keep coming around to this, but this is the point. Of the 14% that own crypto, 6% of those people own approximately half of the crypto that exists. 6% of the people own half of the market. So the question I would pose to those who ask why Flexa doesn't advertise is, advertise to who? It's not a matter of having a great product. And Flexa and AMP, it's a great product. But what good is a great product if so few are equipped to use it? Do you know why Nike advertises so heavily? Because we all have feet and we all wear shoes. It is a product that appeals to every human on the planet because we are all equipped to use it. There is no deep learning curve when it comes to shoes. You put them on your feet, you tie them. Boom, you're a pro. But crypto, which rests in the hands of such a small segment of the population, and apparently, I didn't know this, but apparently it's almost exclusively male. Hate that or love it, it's the absolute truth. How would you even begin to advertise something like this? So I thought, let's role play it a bit. And you know what? This would be really, really cool if I knew how to edit, but I don't. So anyone want to edit my videos and get zero credit for doing it, drop me a comment or an email. So here's the first scenario that popped out of my head. Give me some latitude on this, guys. I don't edit. Wow, this place uses Flexa. There's a sticker in the window. Well, what's Flexa? It's a payment network which lets you spend crypto to buy stuff. It's really cool. Well, why don't you just use money? Well, crypto is money. You mean like Dogecoin? Dogecoin is really cool. Yes, like Dogecoin. You can use your Dogecoin to buy stuff. Oh, well, I don't really want to spend it. It's going up. I'm just going to use money. Very simplistic, right? Very, very simplistic. But I promise you this is a conversation that happens. So let's try scenario 2, which I believe to be more accurate. Wow, this place uses Flexa. There's a sticker in the window. I can use my crypto to buy stuff here. Well, okay, what's crypto? Again, I think scenario 2 is probably more accurate. Look, I know this is not what folks want to hear, and please keep in mind, this is just my opinion. But we are way too early in the game to be thinking of large-scale advertising. And I think it would hurt the token down the line. If you want to advertise anything, advertise smart crypto, its applications, its case uses. Once people are a lot more comfortable with crypto as a currency and not just some esoteric plaything for tech people, then the advertising can be targeted for a much greater audience and have the proper effect. If you just want to shill the idea of Flexa to tech people, you don't have to advertise. They already know what it is, and they already know what it does. The best advertising is the simplest advertising. It is selling a product that does not have to be explained, just pitched as the best. Now, I believe that AMP and Flexa are the best in their space, but if nobody understands the case use, what's the point? It will just muddy the waters down the line. If you want to know what the most potentially valuable product in the crypto space is right now, teaching people about fundamentally sound crypto. But here's a personal plug. If you were bound and determined to get the word out on Flexa, share my videos. I know that's such a cheap plug. I would edit that out, but again, I don't know how to edit. Look, this is a labor of love here for me, guys. If you enjoyed, or if you didn't, please like, share, or subscribe. I'm doing my very first live stream this Thursday right here, 1900 Central. And Thursdays after that, my focus on this very first show is AMP and Flexa. I believe in the product. I think it's the future of finance, and I want to get out in front of it. That's it. So thank you very much for your continued support, and we will talk to you next time. Cheers.